How to use live transcribe on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, and click on accessibility. So accessibility is here, so click on accessibility. Now here, so click on hearing enhancement. So after click on hearing enhancement, you will see first option is live transcribe. So click on live transcribe. So if you want to use live transcribe, so click on open live transcribe. So if you want to use, so you will see live transcribe is ready to use. So if you want to customize live transcribe, so click on this settings icon. So after click on this settings icon, so you will see you will increase or decrease size from here. So after adjust size, you will see transposition history turn on and turn off from here, and open sound notification from here. So and more settings from here. So after using, you will see. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can use live transcribe on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.